Welcome to the Year 4 strategy for 10 times tables. In this lesson I'm learning my 10 times tables. Let's start with this question here. 10 times 4. Now you'll remember from our 2 times table lesson that this multiplication sign means groups of. So 10 times 4 means 10 groups of 4. Let's just draw a picture to see what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And in all of those groups there needs to be 4 or 4 counters. Let's put 4 in each one. So you can see in total here I've got 40 counters because there were 10 groups and 4 counters in each group. Now let's just change that question slightly. Let's change it so instead of being 10 groups of 4 we've now got 4 groups of 10. And let's draw another picture to see what that looks like. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are my 4 groups, and inside each of those groups I need to put 10 counters. So you can see that 4 times 10 also gives me 40. So here we had 10 times 4 equals 40, and here we had 4 times 10 equals 40. So notice how the answer is the same, even though these numbers or factors have been swapped around. Well, let's go down the page a little bit and see what one group of 10 looks like. So, one group of 10. And if I look over to my hundreds board, I can see a group of 10 right along here. So, one group of 10 equals 10. And if I go down a little bit further, we can see what 2 groups 10 looks like. I'm going to use orange this time, and if I start over here, or green rather, and I go all the way around here, you can see I've got 2 groups of 10. That was one group, this is my second group, so 2 groups of 10 is 20. Let's try and work out what 3 groups of 10 is. This time I'm going to use yellow. So if we've got one group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10 is 30. Now hopefully you're starting to see a bit of a pattern, but let's just do one more to make sure. Okay, 4 groups of 10. So this time let's use purple. We had one group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10, 4 groups of 10 is 40. Now I'm going to go down and fill out all the other 10 times tables. You might like to stop this video now and see if you can do it as well. So hopefully you've now got all your 10 times tables written out like this. So let's look at the answers to all our 10 times tables and see if you can notice a really important pattern. Well, you can see that all the answers to our 10 times tables are tidy numbers. All of them end in a 0. You can find the activity sheet that goes with this lesson in the Teacher Tools Multiplication and Division book from the White Book collection.